Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Home security camera, and I'm going to show you how we can add the shortcut to your home screen and the Android smartphone. So at the first we have to open the Mi Home application, click on our device, then tap on the right upper corner, select the general settings and move to the more settings. Right now click right here to add the home screen shortcut, click to add, and after that we are able to enter the camera. When we are in our home screen and we don't have to go into our application and select the device, we just simply click right here on this icon. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.